Welcome to Minity Maths. In this video we are going to go through some handy multiplication tips and tricks. See if you can figure out how they work. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for weekly videos. Let's look at this trick for multiplying numbers by 11. This trick only works with two-digit numbers. Firstly, add the two digits of the number together. Then place the result in between the two original digits. However, if the sum of the digits is more than 9, carry the 1. And this is your answer. Let's have a look at an example. Our two-digit number here is 24. So we add the two digits, 2 and 4, together, which equals 6. We then place the number 6 in between the two original digits, so we have 2, 6 and 4. Because the sum of the digits isn't greater than 9, we can ignore this step. So here we have our answer. 11 times 24 equals 264. Here is another example. Notice that the sum of the digits is greater than 9, as we have 12. Therefore, we need to carry the 1 and add it to the 5. This gives us an answer of 627. The next tip shows us a handy way to multiply by 5. This works for any number. Firstly, halve the number you want to multiply 5 by. Then multiply the result by 10. This is your answer. Let's look at an example. Here, we want to multiply 5 by 12. So we divide 12 by 2, giving us 6. We then multiply 6 by 10, giving us 60. Therefore, 5 multiplied by 12 equals 60. Here is another example to demonstrate this multiplication tip. We are now going to look at two tricks for multiplying by 99. This first trick works only for two-digit numbers. Firstly, subtract the number from 100 and make a note of the result. Then subtract this result from 99. Note down this answer too. Now place the two resulting numbers you have noted down, together, in the opposite order to which you worked it out. This is your answer. Here is an example. Let's multiply 17 by 99. Firstly, we subtract 17 from 100, giving us 83. Now we subtract this new number, 83, from 99, to give us 16. Putting these numbers together in the opposite order gives us 16, and 83. Therefore, the answer is 1683. Have a look at this second example. Finally, we are going to look at a second method to multiply numbers by 99. This tip works for multiplying any number by 99. Firstly, multiply the number by 100. Then subtract the original number from this result. This is the answer. Let's have a look at an example using this multiplication tip. We are going to multiply 23 by 99. Firstly, multiplying 23 by 100 gives us 2,300. We then take the original number, 23, away from the result, giving us 2277. Therefore, 23 times 99 equals 2277. Have a look at this second example. That's all for now, but stay tuned for more maths tips and tricks. Check out the channel for a range of maths related videos.